Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to differentiate assigning assignments through boom cards. First, I'm going to show you where to look for the assignments. You're going to select Store, and here you can look for what they call as boom decks, which will be your free boom decks if you select lowest to high here in the categories. An example I'm going to do is, let's say I'm working on a number lesson and I want to use 0 for a student who was just beginning on numbers, and then 20 for a student who is working on numbers that are higher than 0. So I will just select this activity and I'm going to click Add to my library. Okay, your library is updated, and I will go back to the store, and let's say I want to make sure I add this one, and I'll select Add to Library. Okay, up next I'm going to show you where my library is, and if I wanted to assign an activity to the whole class, all I have to do is go to my library, select my action, and I will click Assign, and it will see pop up. I can assign it to my entire class by selecting this button. But in this case, I would really like to show you how to differentiate assigning an assignment for the purpose of this presentation. So I am going to go back to my classes, select my individual students, scroll down here, and then I will select a student and click Assign. From here, I'll scroll down to see what activities I have to choose from. This student is just beginning to work on quantity numbers 0 through 5. So I will just select here. And as you can see, I already have some other assignments selected. I can either select or deselect those as well. And I will click that and reset assignment. And I'm resetting the assignment because I deselected the other ones and assigning this one now. And I'll just click OK. And from there, I can either click to another student to make sure that I can differentiate for them as well by clicking Assign, coming down, and I already assigned those 2 activities, so I'm going to assign a rhyming card activity. So I'll just click here and just click Reset, and there we go. That will be able to match, and it will be in their to-do list for assignments to complete. Okay, thank you for watching.